My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 39,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, full pass connect, voice control and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: normal, eco and sport. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.